Hello, my name is Oscar Carmona. I'm owner of Healing Grounds Nursery located in Goleta, California. Now I'd like to talk about staking vegetables in your garden. Plants that are trailing varieties such as pole beans, even cucumbers and melons, and indeterminate varieties of tomatoes lend themselves greatly to staking. It's important to allow the plant initial time to establish itself in the garden, maybe 1 to 2 weeks, to make sure that the plant is firmly embedded and meshed in the soil environment. And then place your stakes in and around the plants carefully and firmly so that as the plant grows it will be supported either by, if it's a tomato, with a cage, poles such as bamboo poles or prefabricated trellises that you can buy at any given nursery. Make sure that you utilize either vegetable tie or plastic tie that you can firmly yet at the same time loose enough so that the plant is not bruised in any manner. Some varieties of beans, for example, have tendrils that come out, and peas are also an example of this, that will naturally grab onto a trellis. But other plants such as tomatoes will need to either be strung up with some sort of material. Sometimes even shredded t-shirts, cotton material is a good source of binding material to use for your tomatoes. Plastic tape and floral tape is another source. Again, making sure that you do not adhere it so tightly as to bruise or even break the plant. If your plant has been established for a period of 3 or 4 weeks, please remember that the root system is further developed underneath the soil, and therefore piercing of the soil environment or the soil strata, if you will, with a stake or a tree cage can damage the root system and provide more harm than good to your plant overall. It's generally a good rule to get your stakes in or your trellising in within the first week or so of planting, whether that be your tomatoes or any other sort of vegetable in your garden. And that way you will avoid any possibility of harm to the root system. This is Oscar Carmona, and I just explained to you how to stake garden plants.